Hello everyone! In this video, we will cover the page 111 on your course book, Speak Out Intermediate, Unit 9.3. So, we will first listen to a conversation between two friends, and then we'll talk about the expressions they use to express uncertainty. And finally, we'll do some practice activities. Remember that you read about famous people in history and did a quiz on the previous page of your course book. Now we'll listen to someone doing that quiz. There are 6 questions. Listen to find out which ones he gets right.
Unit 9, Recording 5. So question 1.
Yes, about the religious leader. Any ideas?
Spoke out against racism in South Africa. Worked as an English teacher.
Well, it could be
no
a few
idea.
different people, couldn't it?
I have no idea. No, I don't know.
Want to guess?
If I was to guess, no, I haven't a clue. I haven't a clue on this one.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
I'm going to tell you it was B. Desmond Tutu.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, no, I didn't know that.
Fair enough.
I didn't know that.
All right, so the second one is about the politician being killed by her own bodyguards.
Well, it's definitely not A.
Okay, yes.
Definitely not A. So it's B or C.
Can you remember?
I can't remember. I've forgotten.
So you're just going to have to guess.
Yes.
Come on, I'm going to press you now. If you used to know it, you can have a guess in there
I'm going to go for B.
Oh, no, it was the other one. It was C. Indira Gandhi.
Oh.
Never mind.
Well, I didn't know that.
There you are. So, number 3. Any ideas about the anthropologist feeding bananas to wild chimpanzees?
Jane Goodall, Louis
Leakey.
Louis Lee.
Don't even. Margaret Mead.
Well, I'm sure it isn't Margaret Mead.
How about B?
I'm sure it isn't. I'm sure it isn't B.
Okay.
So that leaves A.
It leaves with A. Very good. It was Jane Goodall.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. And now the scientist.
Which inspirational scientist spent his freedom playing the
time.
violin when he wasn't changing the world? I think I know this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, be careful because
I'm not 100% certain.
I'm
not 100% certain, but it might be Albert Einstein.
Right. You saying B?
B.
Yes, you're
B.
right.
Excellent.
And we're almost there with number 5, the activist that refused to give up the bus seat. You must remember this.
Oh, no, I can't remember.
You must!
It's one of those things I used to know. I used to know, but I've forgotten.
All right.
Che Guevara?
Sure?
No, but...
Okay, it was C. Rosa Parks. No, you're right, you didn't remember. So the last
that's interesting. It's interesting.
Oh, dear. The last one then.
Right.
Which amazingly original creative writer was banned from the US for years? Have you heard of them?
I know it wasn't Charles Dickens.
Right.
So it's one of the other two. Ooh.
Go on, have a guess.
I'm going to go for C.
Good choice.
That's right. That's right. Excellent. Excellent.
You did very well.
Yeah, not too bad.
Okay. He answers the questions 3, 4, and 6 correctly. But how do we know it? Let's have a look at the expressions of uncertainty in more details now. On this slide here, you see 4 different expressions in the box. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I think, I know it isn't, or it wasn't, and I used to know. Do you know what they mean? Please stop the video for a minute now and match them with the phrases below. Now it's time to check your answers. Yes, and here is a list of the expressions you heard in the conversation. Yes. And we will see them in the table here. Expressing uncertainty. Uncertainty means being not definite and sure. And in our daily language, we use different expressions to show it. For example, while you're talking about something that you don't know, you may use these expressions. But be careful, the first two, I have no idea and I haven't a clue, are more informal than the others. And when you're not sure, but you have an idea about something, you can say, I'm not 100% certain, but it might be, or I'm fairly sure it is. And as you see here, certain and sure have the same meaning. And here, it's definitely not, and I'm sure it isn't, are negative expressions that we use to say we know what it isn't. And finally, I can't remember and I've forgotten are used for the past knowledge. For practice 1, you'll match these 5 dialogues with the 5 phrases here. And you can stop the video now. Please check your answers now. I can't remember. I'm fairly sure. I've forgotten. And I haven't a clue. I'm not 100% certain here. And now, in practice 2, please underline the correct alternative. And here is the answer key for it. First, I'm fairly sure. Second, it's definitely not. Third one is I have no idea. And for number 4, I can't remember is the correct answer. For further study and practice, you can look at your supplementary pack, page 188, and also my English Lab Speak Out Intermediate, Unit 9.3, Function, Expressing Uncertainty. Thank you and have a nice day.